Hello, my name is Vince, and I'm going to demonstrate how to generate some additional debugging output for deployment area templates. Here you can see in the admin console, I have a deployment area defined, a stream is related, and I've introduced a post-event transfer script, which is located here. In my case, this is a very simple script. I'm just echoing a few templating variables out to a file. And in fact, this is the output file, which you can see from a previous deploy operation. Now, if we look in the web client at the deployment tab for the result of the deployment, you can see all the details of the job. You can see that the file was copied to the deployment area, but then you can also see in this case that there was a post-install script that was executed, which is all very good and executed okay with the return code 0. Now you can introduce some more detail into this output, which makes debugging of some complex templates very useful. So if we close that, and I'll show you what I did with DMCFG. I added a variable here, which allows you to get many more detailed trace messages into that job output. A restart of the listener is required when you make this change. So if you look back in the web client, this is the job I submitted after restarting the dimensions listener and introducing that variable. And as you can see, the output is quite different. You get the original message about the file being deployed, but then you get a lot of information about the template expansion, what is being done, the values that are being echoed out into the file. So if you have a large and complex template which is returning some errors following the deployment, this can be a useful method of finding out where it's going wrong, what values are being passed, and maybe if there's some actual syntax errors in the script. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching.